All right, here it is. '97 EXT 580 EFI Deluxe. It's got electric start, reverse, hand warmers, basically pretty much everything. It's really the only spot in the seat that's messed up. Everything else is pretty clean. Engine's pretty decent, at least the compartment. So yeah, that's it. The only thing I really got to do is this sensor went bad, so I want to replace that. I just like to make sure that everything's working the way it should. I'm kind of a stickler about that. And then the previous owner got a new hood for it. Didn't switch out the old tack and wiring harness. It says EXT on it, but you can tell that there's obviously two plugs that should be here, and that wiring harness is for like a ZR580 because it's got the 6 pulse tack on there, and this thing needs the 12 pulse, so the tack doesn't work. But I'm gonna find that and the tack as well. I'm hunting those down on the bay, so get those taken care of. So I'll go ahead and fire it up. Let me know what you guys think. I've already had it started a couple times, but it does seem like it is still, even after I adjusted the oil pump, it's still doing the same thing. Oh, good grief. Lock these up real quick. This is what it does. It should kick up, but it doesn't. I can, yeah, see? I charged the battery last night. There we go. Doesn't seem like it's smoking as bad after I adjusted the linkage on it. And yeah, that was out of whack. The linkage was basically all the way up. So, if that doesn't tell you what happened or why it could have been smoking so much, then yeah. And then before I started it up today, I took the spark plugs out and hit them with some parts cleaner, dried them off, checked the gap. One of the spark gaps was 25, and the other one was 28 where it's supposed to be. And it does seem like it's running a little better. So it's pretty decent. I like it. Not bad for $500. I'll probably end up putting a total. I got a new track for it too, because we don't have a lot of lakes around here, and it's got studs on it. So that's coming off. So yeah, that's it overall. I mean, it's a pretty nice machine. All the lights work. Brights work. But yeah, as far as the engine, I think starting up like that, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think.